The air pump is made from seamless metal, which has a good-looking look and higher corrosion resistance. The hose is made from a particular high-temperature rubber hose, not simple to interrupt and harm. There are numerous items accessible to floor pump airs, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best floor pump airs from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Zybrelli Bike Floor Pump. With a robust metal barrel and bolstered deal with, Zybrelli's bicycle tire pump is examined for accuracy to excessive strain. It's the proper highway bike pump. Zybrelli's bike pump with gauge is constructed and examined for top strain precision. The bicycle pump strain gauge is giant, correct, and simple to learn. Presta valve bike pump additionally inflates Schrader valves with an easy flick of a change. The Speedy T valve on the bike tire pump seals robust with no annoying leaks. Bike air pump comes with an emergency glueless puncture package so that you don't get caught on the highway or path with a flat. Contains ball inflation needle and valve for inflatable units, so you should use your bicycle pump for pool toys and sports activities. Number 2. VRENO Double Barrel Bike Floor Foot Pump. Foot pump design makes simpler and labor-saving. Refuse to bend down. The VRENO bike pump is made from high-quality steel which make the pedal return shortly. Good for traveling or residence use, handy to fold and retailer. The strain of VRENO air pump can attain to 160 psi, meet the necessities of most tire pressures. With the strain gauge you'll know your tire strain at actual time. Making pump simpler and throw into the right strain prevents unintended tire blowouts. The VRENO air pump's good valve head is appropriate for Presta, Schrader, and Deutschland valves which may meet your totally different wants without conversion. Simple to function and the valve might be locked. To make use of broadly and conveniently for cycle tire, air mattress, child carriages, gas-filled, swimming pool boys, sports activities, ball and different inflatables, good for indoor and out-of-doors utilizing. The VRENO double-cylinder bike foot pump supplies extra air reserves to realize sooner inflation pace. You'll shortly attain the strain without hanging a blow. Number 3. VIMLOO Bike Pump Portable. Interior and outer tubes are made from high-strength metal, which is extra wear-resistant and has an easy floor, and the rubber tube of the movable air pump is removable, frost-proof and excessive temperature resistance. Ergonomically designed snug deal with exterior booster buffer, simple to inflate, 160 psi max. The tire pump can inflate for bicycles, electrical autos, bikes, automobile, sports activities, balls and swimming rings. Very handy measurement, simple to hold. We're dedicated to supply wonderful customer support with our unconditional free substitute or a reimbursement assure for an interval of 8 years. Number 4. MOHEGI Bike Floor Pump with Gauge. Round air pump with gauge, max 160 psi excessive strain capability. The tire strain is displayed in actual time and simple to learn. Options: twin valves for Presta and Schrader for simple inflation. The seamless metal pipe, T-handle and extensive base present a secure push whereas being sturdy. Bike pump has the inflation adapters fielded together with 3 adapters for inflatables, balls, simple storage and portability. MOHEGI bicycle tire pump inflate for bicycles, e-bikes, bikes, sports activities, balls and inflatable toys. Number 5. Schwinn Air Center Floor Bike Pump. Twin simple indicator pump head suits each Schrader and Presta valves. Indicator is inexperienced when locked and able to use and pink when it isn't. The Airheart Plus pumps to 120 psi with handy mid-barrel gauge. Co-molded T-deal with grips make inflation snug. Features a 26 inches rubber-lined hose. Extensive metal base provides stability for simple pumping and provides lengthy lasting sturdiness. Base width measures 10.75 inches. 38 mm diameter excessive quantity metal barrel is 21.5 inches tall to supply premium efficiency. Sports activities ball needle and inflation cone included for added versatility. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.